What's happening, everyone? This is Alan Beak, and we've just finished 3 days filming for Amos Academy Volume 2. We've had a magnitude of skills and a magnitude of techniques that we've gone through. We've done 4 models, and we've done a full day filming of theoretical lessons. We tried to get in as much content as possible, and we've tried to have a varied look on each one of the models. So we've gone from a full transformation on a 16-year-old who looked like a 25-year-old. He came in looking homeless, and he left looking like a model. And that is what we do. We're not just making them look good, we're making them feel good. So what we've done is, we've gone through every single part of the process of a haircut. We broke everything down. We went into detail with clipper work, with blending in, making sure that our edges are nice and clean. We went through different layering techniques, which also included a very long haircut, which is quite taboo and quite intimidating when it comes to the barbering world. And I just give my version of how I would do it in the shop. So we've varied our looks. We've gone from a crop to having textured looks, to having smoother looks, to having soft lines, hard lines. We've tried to get in everything as much as we can. It's been an incredible experience. We've met lots of new people, we've done lots of new things, and this is another string to my bow, something I've never done before. And I really hope you guys enjoy it.